Hi everyone, it's Lisa from Lakeshore. Are you ready for some outdoor fun that's guaranteed to keep your children entertained for hours? My children love to be outdoors, whether they're reading, playing with dough or sand, riding their bikes, or bouncing a ball. I'm constantly in search of ideas and ways to keep them entertained outside. Our favorite outdoor activity has been the water bin. We found an extra bin laying around the house, we filled it with water, and I sent the kids on a hunt around the house to find things that we could play with in our water bin.
When children are playing with water, they are able to increase their fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination through actions like pouring, squirting, scrubbing, and stirring. Water play encourages children to use their imagination, as well as develop creative thinking, which plays an important role in problem solving. It encourages role play and important social skills like cooperation and sharing. Water play can be both invigorating and relaxing or calming for children. It increases their ability to concentrate on one repetitive activity. It also allows children to unwind and clear their thoughts. Oftentimes our children can feel the stress and struggles of the day, so this is a great opportunity to stop in the moment and take a deep breath.
I have 3 fun activities for you to do with the water bin. The first one is called alphabet soup. All you need is a serving spoon, a bowl, and some alphabet letters.
While making alphabet soup, the children are learning how to take turns and share. They are also working on their letter recognition. Scooping up a letter in water with a spoon allows children to work on their fine motor skills, as well as eye-hand coordination.
Once they have retrieved a letter, ask them to name that letter for you. If they get the name of the letter correct, they get to keep that letter. If they get it wrong, they have to put it back into the water.
This may look like an easy task to adults, but little ones need to try and try again until they can do it and feel successful about it. As children might show frustration scooping up a letter or getting the name of the letter incorrect, this is a great opportunity to show encouragement.
If your child needs more of a challenge, try this. Ask them to create the letter sound. You can also ask them to name 2 words that begin with that letter. For an extra challenge, you can ask them what letter comes before that letter that they picked and what letter comes after the letter that they picked. You can do a toy wash. Have your child gather some toys around the house that are water safe, of course, but that might need a little cleaning. Put a little bit of dish soap into the water bucket and find some sponges or a scrub brush.
Toy washing not only gets the toys clean, but it is also an amazing sensory experience, introducing children to different textures such as slimy, bubbly, or smooth. Children will increase their fine motor skills by scrubbing the toys. Increasing fine motor skills prepares little ones for writing and cutting. As children work together to clean the toys, they are building social emotional skills such as expressing feelings with words, pride in accomplishment, and asking for help when it is needed. This activity, Float to Sink, allows children an opportunity to predict, explore cause and effect, as well as practice their counting skills. This is a great activity to work on taking turns if you're doing this activity with more than one child. Each child can take a turn placing 1 penny on the object to try and make it sink. Eye-hand coordination is going to be strengthened as children place pennies on the floating objects as they try to get them to sink.
While we're doing this, you can ask your child some challenging questions. What other materials can we use to get our items to sink? How can we get the items to float again? Thanks for joining my family and I as we played and explored with water. We would love to see your water bins. Take a photo or video and post it to social media with the hashtag LearnWithLakeshore. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel for other great videos just like this. Until next time, keep on learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.